welcome back to Self-Sufficient Mama. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make Barbara O'Neill's liver cleanse. For the liver cleanse, you are going to need 1 cup of fresh orange and lemon juice or grapefruit juice. I used 1 grapefruit and 1 lemon, 1 cup of pure water, 1 clove of garlic, a half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, and a tablespoon of olive oil. It's all going to go into a blender. Blend it well. I'm going to put the olive oil in last inside of this little hole right here so the water and juice and oil don't separate. I'm just going to blend it straight in. So I'm going to start with my juice. This is 1 cup. And 1 cup of water. My ginger. And my clove of garlic. I'm going to turn the blender on. This would probably work really good in a bullet, but I don't have a bullet, so I just used my blender. Hopefully I don't have too many chunks going on. So I'm going to drink this. After I finish this, 15 minutes later, I am going to drink the liver tea, and I will do a separate video on that.